at the commentary box, and we have started with the track points races as per the schedule in the morning, sharp at 6. The races. This is now it's the 15 to 18 junior boys who are lining up there. You see them on your screen. Before this, the race that was held was 15 to 18 junior girls. Lakshita and Varshini Aparna. Lakshita from Tamil Nadu and Varshini from Karnataka have been picking up a lot of points alternatively, and we'll wait for the official results on this about the position, the first, second or third position. But yes, they were pretty much ahead of the other skaters. A lot of other skaters were eliminated because of being overlapped. In the meanwhile, the junior boys are at the start line now. Chandigarh skater. It's Chandigarh and Haryana skaters too. I heard just the announcement. They have not yet reported. Last and final call for them.
So boys, we have 25 laps to go.
It's 5,000 meters. So it's a 25 laps race. The first bell will be on 22nd. Actually, the bell will be on 22nd, and from 21st onwards, the points will be given to the skaters. The first to cross the finish line in that lap will get 2 points, and the second gets 1 point. And it has been always, you see, I've been talking about it. The points. It is always necessary that you pick up some initial points. So it gets much easier later in the race stage rather, that not under the pressure of picking up more points. So there they start. The skaters in this race are Jeevan Raj A, Inyan, Ensai Ritvik, Tanmay Amkotari, Avdut Nasagar Nayak, Lavyansh Pandey, Yoshit Reddy, Madhu Leela Venkata Sudhir, Shreyansh Tiwari, Sean Manu, Yash Dev, Rudra, Bhavya Sanjay Bhai Gajera, Kumud Jain, Arya Verma, Durg Pratap Singh Shaktawat, Devay Jamwal, Shri Pratul Chinopati, and M. Sudhar San. I'm sorry if I mispronounce any of the names, but these are the skaters. Total of 19 there. So, sorry. So that is how it is. If there you see on your screen the skaters, they are going pretty much steady. Now points on arrivals. So around 21 laps to go, and it's Jammu. Sorry.
28.
So it's GJ65, KA28. Those are the skaters who picks up 2 and 1. KA28 is Ensai Ritvik, and Gujarat skater is
KA28. Rajasthan coming side.
one of the skater has been asked from Rajasthan has been asked to come inside. So GJ65 good is Bhavya.
KA28.
Again in this, the skater from UP08 is able to pick up 2 points. Represent. Okay, so it's again UP08 and KA28 picking up 2 and 1 points respectively. UP08 is the skater number of Lavyansh Pandey. KA28 is Ensai Ritvik.
UP08.
So again, you see now this time it is Tamil Nadu's Indian who picks up 2, and UP's Lavyansh picks up 1. So that's a pretty good strategy.
There's a change in the order. UP08 will be counted first and TN66 will be counted second. Don't change the trajectory. TN66 ready stick. UP08 K28.
So you see, Lavyansh has been continuously picking up points, mostly 2. So that is a very good strategy, I would say, because picking up the initial points helps you to get. So again, it's picking up TN66 this time again picks up 1. And 66 is, I said, it's Indian. Indian has a racer number TN66. He picked up the points. So this time. So this time KA68 is Tanmay M. Kotari who picks up 2 points, and the Punjab skater PB62 Arya Verma picks up 1, and now again PB picks up the skater from Punjab Arya Verma picks up 2. This is what happens when you keep picking up points in the initial stages, then you let others pick up a couple of points here there, you let the points be distributed with different skaters, and come back again. So that is how it is right now. Again, UP08 TN66 UP Lavyansh skater there. Lavyansh is the name of the skater, and TN66 is Indian. So a lot of skaters again eliminated, and it's again UP and TN skaters from Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu picking up those points. UP, as I said before, Lavyansh. UP 08 is Lavyansh, and TN 66 Indian. So this time it was Jeevan Raj from Tamil Nadu TN63 who picked up a single point. Now what is happening, you see, in the initial stages, picking up the points and then letting others share the points. It is a pretty good and clear strategy. You go fast, pick up points. Now see, it's Jeevan Raj who's who picked up 2, but UP's Lavyansh is continuously picking up points. He picked up 1 in this lap, adding points to his tally. That is really awesome to see. The clear strategy. Again, he will pick up 2 in this lap. Yes. See, again he picks up 2 points. A clear, very clear strategy. Start fast, pick up couple of points in the initial stages, eliminate your competitors by going fast. Those who couldn't pick it, keep the pace, they are eliminated. Now hardly, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 skaters in all. So in all 7 skaters started in the 19, left 7 as of now, and 4 laps on arrival. So that's a good strategy. You eliminate some, then you and in this process you pick up points, and then it is pretty much easier in the later stages. Very clear strategy in this. A very, very clear and simple strategy in this, but very effective as well. Coming to your point, your messages. Muhammad Rahil has sent all the best to Vishnu by Auntie, says the message. Vishu, okay, I'm not quite sure. Vishu, you're talking about which skater? If you can mention the age group, maybe a bit easier. But as of now, 15 to 18 junior boys track points races are being conducted right now. This is how it is as of now. And like I was saying, Lavyansh has played very well. Lavyansh Pandey from Uttar Pradesh. Jivan Raj from Tamil Nadu, Indian again from Tamil Nadu, and the bell has indicated that it's the last lap. The first to cross will get 3, second position will get 2, and the third position will get 1 points.
Final finish UP 08, PB 60.
So it's you. So again, Lavyansh picks up 3 points in the last lap. That's the order. There are 3 points, 2 points. In the meanwhile, now we are starting with the next age group, the senior age group. They have the eliminations round now. It's an elimination race, rink elimination.